Hello and welcome to another episode of Motif Monday. Today I am learning this for the first time and I'm using Drops Paris again in colours 65, 41 and 68. I think I'll pop this in the middle and also around the edge. I will use this colour for the petal and this for the darker green. The time is about 10 to 11. We'll just see how long it takes us now to complete this. I'm starting with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. I'm going to slip to close. I'm going to chain up 1 and I'm going to single crochet 2 chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times before I slip to the first single crochet. I'm just going to jump past 12 minutes of me doing it with the chain and I'm going to jump to doing it with a magic circle instead. So I need 8 single crochets plus 2 chains. Let's see, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's pull this, keep it loose for when I'm going into the chain spaces and then I'll tighten it up. This is 7, 8, 1, 2, slip into here. Okay, now tie off. Before I tighten the middle, I'm going to do my next step and then I'll tighten it. I'll start here. So, double crochet into the chain space, 2 chains, double crochet, 2 chains, slip, chain 1 to move across the single crochet, slip into the chain space, 1, 2, 1, 2, double crochet, 1, 2, slip, and chain. Okay, so I believe there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I can tie off, slip into, probably the best place to slip into is the chain space here. Okay, I'm going to chain and tie off. Right, just have to chain 1 and then tighten it. Great. So now I'm going to tighten my magic circle. Last one. Okay. Yeah. That's going to be flatter once I work into these. Just ignore those will be in the back. But look at that. Look at that compared to that. That's way better. Okay, I'm glad I did this. Third colour. Okay, so I've done this, I've done that. Now it is time to chain up from where? Oh, I'd say tie on to the chain space. Okay, so where did I tie off? I usually like to tie it on close to where I tied off. So, okay. Right, I'm going to go into the chain space. The front. Chain to secure. Now chain 1. I see a little chain 1 and single crochet into the chain space. Chain 1 and single crochet into the chain space. Okay, so I'm going to wiggle it up. Single crochet. I'm going to 1, 2, 3. A tall single crochet. Oh, maybe it goes to the back. So tall. I'm gonna do a tall single crochet. 1, 2, 3. Just gonna push the petals up to the front. If I was to do this again, I'd not be so tight on my chains in between the slips. Down here to the single crochet. And then slip into the chain space. Let's make sure all our petals are at the front. There we go. Okay. Now we are chaining 3, 2 more double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochet, 2 chains, 2 double crochets into the next 3 chain space. Okay, that is going all the way around. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, another 2 into the chain space. 1, 2. Let's chain 1. Then I'm gonna slip, slip, slip until I'm in that chain space. So, slip to the top of these 2 stitches, slip into the space. Then I'm going to chain 3 and continue that pattern. So each time I'm on a side, I'll do 3 double crochets. Each time I'm on a corner, 2 double crochets, 2 chains, 2 double crochets, all separated by 1 chain. Very similar to the type of granny square that I do. Okay, now I'm going to slip to the top of the 3rd chain. Like it so far. What do you think? You can tell me the truth, I won't cry. Okay, so that was that round that I was doing here. So just one more round in the final colour, and then I'll do around 2 rounds of single crochet with half doubles in the corners. Okay, cool. I should have tied on to the corner so that I could finish on a corner. Okay, not to worry. What I'll do is I'll just slip to the next space. It's no big deal. And crochet now. Right. There she is. She's looking well. What do you think? Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed watching this, if you were able to follow along, if you like this pattern. Personally, I kind of don't really like my colour choices, but here we are. It's quite, it was an enjoyable pattern to do. I find the long single crochets hard to do. I just never know how long to go with, how long to do them. I might practice this another time with not going so long and just maybe practicing with it, just doing it normally.